Welcome back to another Carpet Tiles 1 product video. Today I'll be showing you the PVC garage flooring ramps. These ramps come in 4 colours and work perfectly with our leather look or coin dot range. We currently have 4 colours in stock, that being red, grey, black and white. The thickness starts at 0.5 mm and ramps up to 4 mm to match the height of both the coin dot and the leather look. To install, it's as easy as just a few hits with a mallet.